Hey, look at what I got in the mail. Looks like a Coragen Max block set. Let's put it together. This is step 1 to 3. So, this is step 3 to 6. This is step 6 to 9. This is step 9 to 12. This is step 12 to 17.
This is step 17 to 20. Now it can go zoom.
I am done my block piece. This is what it should look like at the end. Now I just have to put my man together. There we go. I'm finished now. Better put this on. Now I'm finished. I'd say one thing. So much power, so little effort. Build your own forklift.